Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. So as in the previous video, you have seen about encapsulation. What is encapsulation? What does it include and all. So also we have seen about classes. So class is a combination of both variables and methods. We'll see what is a variable and what are the different types of variables that we have. So let me create a new Python file called as variables.py. So here, what is a variable? Variable is a named memory location. Variable is a named memory location to save the data temporarily. Okay guys. Similarly, we have 5 different types of variables, that is local variables, global variables, arguments or parameters, then instance variables, then static variables. Okay guys, so we have seen about local variables, global variables, arguments and parameters in my previous videos. If you have not seen these videos, I'll leave the link in the description box guys, you can check them out. So today we'll be seeing about instance variables. So what is an instance variable? Instance variable. So these will hold unique data for every object. Instance variables hold unique data for every object. Also, the variables which are declared inside the instance methods using self keyword are called as instance variables. So as we have seen about what is a class, it is a combination of both variables and methods. If a variable is declared inside the method, that is instance method, with a self keyword, then that is called as a instance variable. The variables that are declared inside the instance method using self keyword are called as instance variables. So to call the instance variable, we use object or object reference variables. That is to call, like if you want to call a normal local or a global variable, how will you call it guys? To call a local variable, we'll just write a equals to 10. Whereas to call these instance variables, we use object or object reference variables. What is object and what is object reference variables? I'll be showing you in the further video. To call a instance variable, we use object or object reference variables. Okay, so when will the instance variables get the memory? The instance variables will get memory after object is created. The moment the object is created, instance variables will get memory. Instance variables will get memory after object creation. For number of objects, number of instance will be created automatically. Instance variables will get memory for every object. So let me comment this, guys. So let me revise it one more time for you. Instance variables will hold unique data for every object. The variables that are declared inside instance method using self keyword are called as instance variables. To call an instance variable, we use object or object reference variables. So instance variables will get memory after object is created. So for instance variables will get memory for every object. For example, I create 10 different objects. So for each and every object, the instance variable will get memory. So for example, we have about 10 students in a class. So then variable name, ID number will be same here, but the value for that changes every time. For each and every student, the value changes. So that type of variables are called as instance variables. Okay, guys. So hope you have understood, guys. If you have understood, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Programming with Gautam.